All right, guys. This is today is Saturday, um, December the 19th, 2009. Um, it's probably supposedly the biggest snowstorm that we're going to have, or it's the first snowstorm I guess we're having this year. But I wanted everybody to see it. Kind of sucks that there's my car right there, the Acura. That's mine. We're in Groton, Connecticut, and this is the coastal. So, because I'm right by the water, but as you can see, probably, hopefully you can, it's going to suck, and it looked like it just started snowing probably about maybe like an hour ago. So as we can see, it looks like it's going to be a bitch of a snowstorm. I don't know. I guess maybe later on if I don't fall asleep, I'll put some more lovely scenery from Groton, Connecticut. Have a good night. Or not a good night yet. It's too early anyway. It's like 9:30. All right. See you later.